another video tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you that how you can scrap the email addresses and the leads from the Instagram, and this is the most awaited tutorial on to my YouTube channel. So basically I have two scripts. One is the search engine and the second one is basically the scrapper. Okay, so through the search engine, this is nothing. We are going to search this query, and here is the query of Google Doors I have developed, and you can also build this according to your requirement. And this query contain all the results of from New York City, which contain real estate data, real estate profiles on Instagram, and inside their description they contain the email addresses. Okay, so nothing special. It is just a matter of time. It just we can say we're gonna trigger this logic to how we can extract the useful information. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do now, I simply first run this script, run this search data downloader, and then I will put down the entire data into the scrapper tool, and it will extract the data. So let me gonna run this. Okay, now you see it start running. And it will extract all the links, all the data, all the information about Instagram URLs one by one. So it will take time. So the automation part was skipped. I have basically scrapped the URL from Google results, and they are total 29 pages plus images data also. And here is the urls.txt file, and it contains total 83 URLs. Okay, so it's a very short number, but let's see how this will show. Okay, how it work and how much time it was, how many seconds are required by the crawler to extract the data. First I'm going to delete the old file. This is the old version. Okay, and now I'm gonna run the by async scrapper tool. This is a asynchronous multiprocessing, and it read the urls.txt file. So let's see how much time, how many seconds are required by this team to process the data. Okay, so I'm gonna simply press the play button, and here is it. You can see start working, scraping the data, and it only takes 4 seconds to scrape and complete the urls.txt file. This file was deleted. No more data, no more file, and we got the we say, sorry, I was in the wrong folder, and here is it, the new data. Okay, so I'm going to show you how I manage to extract the email addresses and phone numbers. Too much. Wait a minute. Let me populate this. Now here is it. Username, post, followers, following, and the email addresses. Here are the email addresses of account, and data was extracted. Some if any user write the email address in their bio section, then this crawler will definitely extract the data. Okay, so it was pretty fast enough and the speed was good, and some of the URLs are missing because they are invalid. bogus URLs. So I hope this is the whole entire video. And if you need this script, let me tell you something. I mention my contact details in the description, or you can directly place the order into my Fiverr account. This is my Fiverr account profile link. So I hope you really enjoyed this video. So thank you very much. Jazakallah. Allah Hafiz.